So hey guys, let's start our today's podcast that's on a public awareness campaign organized to improve the health of ocean through a collective action and a large scale community participation. What's that? सबसे पहले देखो कि वर्ल्ड इन्वायरमेंट डे 5 जून को एक ओकेजन हुआ दैट इज़ मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल को एक साथ लेके आना अवेयर करना एक्शन ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट के लिए ये मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट फॉरेस्ट एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज ने किया दैट्स गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया was actually envisaged here to celebrate the World Environment Day with a trust of a mission life. As actually the concept of the mission life is a lifestyle for environment. Everyone was aware of this. Like it's an introduced by our Honorable Prime Minister at the World's Leader Summit in a Glasgow at 21st UNFCCC to COP26 summit, right? When he gave a clarion call to rekindle the global pursuit to adopt a sustainable lifestyle and practice. The mass mobilization across the country on a life that are being to organize the run-up through celebration. Here's also a Geological Survey of India. The Patna organized a number of events of mass mobilization for Mission Life and reached out to different age of the group in various places of the Patna as of Kalkari, Bal, Bhavan, Rich. They all cover many places. That's not important. Important is the live program was also organized in around the many local areas. There also many national institutes of Himalayan environment. They took part in this. The mission life. Okay, no, this is not important. Now let's come here. The National Center for Sustainable Coastal Management. What's this? It's an ongoing effort to promote the principle of a mission life, the lifestyle for environment. As a scientist overtook a sea floor cleanup and aware the drive of Kelkarai. It's a coastal town located in the Gulf of Mannar in Tamil Nadu. The Gulf of Mannar is actually situated in the southeast coast of India that has been recognized as a marine biosphere reserve, mainly due to its unique flora and fauna. They have many type of variety of species there. They're also one of the most important marine national park. Additionally, the coast is well known for a migrating whales, dolphins, endangered dugongs, and many more coral reefs. Okay, so the service we step the biodiversity support, supporting lifestyles, coastal protections, carbon sequestration, tourism, recreation, water quality management, maintenance, and the cultural and aesthetic values that are vital for both the environment and human well-being. Protecting or conserving these ecosystems is very crucial in ensuring continued to provision to these valuable ecosystems. Say as the Gulf of Mannar is also known as a high pelagic fishery resources. Some commercial fishing or grounds suppose this livelihood is approximately 200 fishing villages are there. The Gulf of Mannar also has several environmental challenges in recent years. So cleanup, drive, fishermen's boats owner have voluntarily joined these all mission life efforts to clear the marine litters from these ecological sensitivities areas. And we normally fisher gears, the ALDF rope, packaging material, food wrappers, they all clean up this. Okay, the theme of the mission life and the importance of practicing the is responsibility, environmentally friendly fishing practices, and they also energy and water conservation in marine area. So these initiatives actually retrieval or recycling of any abandoned, lost, or otherwise discarded fishing gears. So where emphasize since a single these fishing gears can remain in sea for up to 600 years, and plastic contamination, particularly microplastics, marine environment, as well as our bioaccumulation in food chains, were highlighted by these all efforts. These all experts who take part in this. Now, the mini community, the management strategies of control fishing related litters. They call the fishing related litters passively clean sea initiative. This type of fishing for litters. The initiative which we include under this is called fishing for litters to encourage the fishermen to bring back to the fishing related litters to seashore reception facilities and collecting end of life fishing gears as a measure for the circular economy to close up the plastic loops in marine environment. This public awareness campaign also aimed to improve the health of the ocean through collective actions and a scales community participation. That's called Jan Bhagidari. As a realizing the ecological importance of impact of marine life, marine litters, local fishing communities join this team for beaching, so beach cleaning, and this event trained the fish folk in a comprehensive manner about the environment, biodiversity, habitat, and need to live in harmony with nature. So this is the main aim of Mission Life, right? The litter management strategies discussed include the reduction, beach environment management, changing litters behavior, environmental education. Participation is also took in a life pledge signature campaign safeguards environment as a part of events. There are poster, live mascots, displays. They so mean. Okay, so this is all about this campaign that held on. This called a public awareness campaign to improve the health of oceans through collective actions and a large-scale community participation.